Following a day of relaxation for his historic trial, Donald Trump is scheduled to appear in court again on Thursday in New York City. Selecting 12 jurors and 6 alternates is now underway. Out of hundreds, 7 have been chosen thus far. Trump is being tried for the first time as a former U.S. president and is charged with fabricating financial documents. He disputes any misconduct. He might be questioned about recent setbacks in other cases if he gives a testimony. Leading Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg said he will delve into Mr. Trump's past court setbacks in an attempt to undermine his credibility. According to a court document made available to the public on Wednesday, Mr. Bragg plans to interrogate Mr. Trump over his defeat in the New York civil fraud trial, where he was fined almost $500 million. In that case, Mr. Trump has refuted the accusations made against him and is contesting the decision. The jury convictions holding Mr. Trump accountable for the sexual abuse and slander of writer E. Jean Carroll, another matter he is appealing, would also be questioned by prosecutors. If Mr. Trump decides to testify in the hush money case, Judge Juan Merchan has not yet decided whether Mr. Bragg's office will be permitted to bring up these issues during cross-examination. In response to 34 felony counts of manipulating business documents connected to a $130,000, £104,000, payment made to adult film star Stormy Daniels in 2016, he entered a not guilty plea. Additionally, he has refuted having an affair with Ms. Daniels. Prosecutors claim that during his victorious presidential campaign that year, Mr. Trump gave his former attorney instructions to pay Ms. Daniels to keep silent. The jury will determine if he is guilty or innocent, or if no agreement can be reached. However, in New York City, where Mr. Trump established his real estate business and gained notoriety, it has proven difficult to locate 12 jurors who are impartial towards the former president. The first group of contenders was instantly cut in half on the first day of the trial when numerous people raised their hands to say they were unable to remain objective about Mr. Trump. In court, both the prosecutors and Mr. Trump's attorneys admitted that the mission was almost unachievable. However, potential jurors were disqualified for a number of reasons, such as bias or concerns about missing a wedding. Lawyers who read from a pre-prepared questionnaire meant to weed out potential jurors' biases elicited their responses. Despite the difficulties, there are expectations that the selection process would wrap up this week, enabling opening remarks to start as early as Monday.